myself Ayushi Tak. I welcome you on Anvira Online School.
Let's start our first chapter. Chapter name is pattern. First, read the question, observe the patterns and take the next pattern from the given answer figure. You have to observe this figure and then find out the next figure is come here and take the correct option. Look at the example. Here we found a 3-leaf flower. Next is also a 3-leaf flower. Next 3-leaf flower. Next is also 3-leaf flower. But here we find a difference between all of these. First is 1, 2 and 3. Next, the direction is change of the leaves. Next, also change the direction. Next is also changes direction. It's upper. Now this and this. Next is also again up, right, down, left, and next is also up. First we draw up. This is the next figure. Now find out which is our correct answer. A, B, C or D. Which is our correct option? Our correct option is option A. Just like this example. Now solve questions. Question number 1. This is arrows. A right-sided arrow. Then down, left and up. Right, down, left, up. Again, right, down, left and up. Okay, so which is our correct option? Option A? No. Option B? No. Option C? No. Option D? Yes, our correct option is option D. Let's go to our next question. Question number 2. Here we found a circle in all of these blocks. Then there are 2 lines. Then 3 lines and make a triangle. Next 3 lines, a triangle and a line. Next a triangle and 2 lines. The lines are in increasing number. So now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, a triangle, this pattern, and now draw a extra line because they are in increasing number. So there are 2 triangles and a circle. This is our next figure. Now find out from the options which is our correct option. Option A? No. Option B? Yes, our correct answer is option B.
Now let's go to our next question. Question number 3. What do you find in this question? First, observe the problem figure. Let's start. Here, a pattern with 2 dots. In next block, 1 dot in middle and a pattern. Next, 2 dots and a pattern. Next, 2 dot and a pattern. Now you have to find out what pattern is come next. Here, first look at the options. Option A, a pattern with 1 dot. Option B, a pattern with 2 dots. Next, a pattern with 1 dot in upper side of pattern. Option A, a pattern with a dot which is lower 1, 2, 2. Next is 1, right? Now find out which option is correct. 1, 1 and 1. In option A, C and D, we found 1 dot. Now look at the problem figure. 1 dot is gone in middle of the pattern. Now find out in which option we find a dot in middle of the pattern. Option A, yes, here is a dot inside of middle of this pattern. Here is upper side, and in option D, the dot is lower side. Now tell me, which is our correct option? Our correct option is option A. Why? Because here is a dot in middle side of the pattern. Let's go to our next question. Question number 4. What do you find in this question? First, a triangle, and triangle have 3 sides. Okay. Next, a rectangle, and a rectangle having 4 sides. Next, a pentagon, and a pentagon having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. Now, next is a hexagon. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. What do you observe in this problem figure? We observe the number of sides are in increasing order. 3, 4, 5, 6 and next is 7. What comes next? A pattern with 7 sides. Now look at the option. Which option having 7 sides and pattern with 7 sides called heptagon? Look at the option A. What is this? Let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Heptagon. Next, option B. Let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5-sided pattern. 5-sided pattern called a pentagon. Next, what is this? This is a out shape. Next, option D. What is this? This is a circle. And owl and circle has no sides. So, tell me, which is our correct option? We need a 7-sided pattern. Heptagon. In which option we find a 7-side pattern? We find this in option A. So, our correct option is option A. Now, let's go to our next question. Question number 5. What do you find in this question? Let's see. What is this? One box. What is this? One box. Next. 1, 2. 2 boxes. Next. 1, 2, 3 boxes. Next. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 boxes. Now, what do you observe in this problem figure? We find the number of boxes are in increasing order. Like 1, 2, 3 and 4 boxes. Option C. 1, 2. 2 boxes. Option D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes. Now tell me, which is our correct option? What we want? What we find? 5 box pattern. Now, which option have 5 box pattern? Option D. Our correct option is option D. Here our chapter is completed. Thank you.